Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Let's explore the concept of vector multiplication, the reasons why you might face issues when trying to multiply vectors directly, and how to properly perform vector multiplication in programming. Understanding vector multiplication. Vectors are mathematical objects that have both magnitude and direction. In programming, vectors are often represented as arrays or lists. There are two common types of multiplication operations that involve vectors. One, dot product. This produces a scalar, a single number, as a result. 2, cross product. This is applicable in three-dimensional space and produces another vector. Why you might encounter issues. 1, dimensionality. Vectors must have compatible dimensions for certain operations. For instance, you cannot directly multiply two vectors of different sizes, example a 3D vector with a 2D vector. 2, type of operation. The operation you want to perform must be clearly defined. For example, if you try to multiply two vectors using the asterisk operator in many programming languages, it may not be clear whether you mean element-wise multiplication, dot product, or cross product. 3, data structures. If vectors are represented as lists or arrays, you must ensure you're using the correct methods or functions to perform the desired multiplication. Code examples. Let's look at some Python examples using NumPy, a popular numerical computing library that simplifies vector operations. Installation of NumPy. If you haven't installed NumPy yet, you can do so using pip. Example of dot product. Output asterisk. In this example, the dot product is calculated as backslash 14 plus 25 plus 3 asterisk 6 equals 32 backslash. Example of cross product. Output asterisk. Here, the cross product is calculated, resulting in a new vector that is perpendicular to both input vectors. Element-wise multiplication. If you want to multiply two vectors element-wise, you can use the asterisk operator directly. Output asterisk. Conclusion. Multiplying vectors can lead to confusion due to different types of operations and dimensionality requirements. By understanding the types of vector multiplication, dot product, cross product, and element-wise multiplication, and using libraries like NumPy, you can effectively perform these operations without issues. Always ensure that the vectors involved are compatible in size and that you are using the correct method for the desired multiplication type.